Hello students, welcome to e-learning classes of Modern English School Kuntinagar Nawada. Today I am going to teach you new topic exponents. So let us start the topic exponent. First your question, what is exponent? So here write the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. The number of times a number is multiplied by itself is called exponent. We understand with example. The first example, write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. So here number 5 multiplied by itself. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 5 power of 4. Here 5 is called base. And 4 is called exponent. In another name of exponent, index. Or this complete notation is called, this complete notation means 5 power of 4 या 5 raised to power 4. This is called exponential form. Exponential form. Yeah, another way write power notation. Is it clear? Any doubt? No. Again repeat. Example number 1. Here take example number 2. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. The here number is 3. Write 3. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5. Here base is equal to 3. Exponent is equal to 5. Another name of exponent, index. Or this complete notation is called exponential form or power notation. Are you getting my points? Okay. Now let us discuss some law of exponent. Laws of exponent. For any rational number, take here a by b, and positive integers take m and n. We have first law right here. All students remember this law. Okay. A by b power m into a by b power n is equal to. Always remember here base is same. The right base a by b. Both term in multiply. The power will be added. Means here write m plus n. All students remember it. Second law. If m is greater than n, then a by b power m divide a by b power n. The here base is same. The here right base a by b. Both term in divide sign. The power will be subtracted. Greater minus or smaller. Here greater m. Here write m minus n. Are you getting my points? Okay. Third law. Here third law. A by b power m or complete power n. Here base is a by b or power will be multiplied means m into n. Fourth law. A by b power minus n. The power minus convert into positive. The we write reciprocal this type. 1 upon a by b power n. Okay. Now next law number 5. Fifth law, a by b power here 0. Always remember, any numbers power will be 0, always result will be 1, always. And last law, a by b power -1. So this is reciprocal of a by b right here. So b by a. I hope all students remember this law. Now let us discuss some questions to related exponent. Question number 1. In question number 1, evaluate given -2/3 power 3. Here base is equal to -2/3, power is equal to 3. Or complete this term is called exponential form or power notation. Both name is same. So be evaluate. So here power is 3. So these terms repeated 3 times means -2/3 into -2/3 into -2/3. First we sign minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So here sign will be minus. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 upon 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, express -1 upon 343 in exponential form. The first we know -1 into -1 into -1 is equal to -1. 343 factorize the 7 into 7 into 7. And lastly here we get -1 power 3, 7 power 3, and lastly we write this type -1/7 power of 3. This is called exponential form. This is your required answer. I hope you will understand the topic exponent with the help of this video. So you will solve the all examples of the topic exponents. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.